Anyways, there's probably a couple of copyright strikes there for everybody to enjoy. I really hate setting up stuff before stream happens, and there isn't really a good way to set up before stream happens with YouTube anymore, so I have to kind of do it during, and I hate doing it. So sorry it takes so long. Luckily, there's loading times on the engine. Oh, where are we? That's right. All right, so today I'm going to be continuing with this area here. I have wrapped up a couple of super secret squirrel stuff on my other map, and I didn't want to stream that part because of the secrecy that I wanted to maintain. Let me see if I have volume turned up on this or down all the way. Okay. I turned it down because I don't want to hear this music over and over again while I do this stuff. This is more for aesthetic during gameplay, so we're gonna turn that down. I want to make this a little bit more alive because I would like, it's really empty right now as far as towns go. There are a couple of enemies, there's something you can fight over here, but there's also like animals and stuff wandering around through this map, but it's not enough to do. All this is kind of for nostalgia, and I'd like there's something to do, a couple of quests maybe, because this is an optional map. It's kind of secret, hard to find, sort of, and not fully implemented yet into the mod, and this is the big kind of update that I've been working on. Modding after dark. Oh no. Trademark. Damn it. I should have hopped on that one, Dr. Beatus. Oh well. It's all right. You could have that one. That one's yours. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving and with lots of people around and eating food and just high-fiving each other all around. Because this is the first... Ooh, children. You forget that we have children here. Let's see what this child looks like. Basically like every other child. Notice that? I think that there's only female children. I don't think there's male. Oh, there is male. Okay. Are there any other kinds other than human? I don't think there's any other kinds of children. That's funny. There's got to be kids running around. That's how I feel about things. Okay. So this is kind of strange, but like you can come into this thing here and start changing the hair, and all of a sudden you can, this is where it's like really weird because it doesn't matter who you choose, boy or girl, both are here, and there isn't really a big variation for kids, so just choose one or the other. It doesn't really matter because they're both the same. So I want to just code this first one as kids that wander around. What I could do is have them follow each other around too. So let's see here. Script. Wander. So we're just going to have a base archetype because they're kids, for fuck's sake. Can cower, yes. Flee, yes. Combat fallback, no. Run around, yes. Sleep. Let's give him like a bigger timer, like maybe 9. Sleep 2s, maybe like 6. Wander duration. They could run forever. 8 and 6 on that. Priorities doesn't really matter here. Wander range, we're going to keep at 10 and 5 between those two. It's fine. And I could anchor them to a trigger around here, like so they stay in town. They generally don't really go out anyways, but for this instance, I would like to anchor them maybe to this fountain. And we're just going to call this S_town square. You got to have a town square. Right. I think I'm pretty sure I could anchor them to an item. But we'll see. I should have called it AAA Town Square. Town Garden. Nope, that's Tower. I don't see it. Probably because I didn't save. Is this a scenery type? Or an item type? Oh, it's a scenery type. So it doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter because scenery type, but it's not so this actual type ID right here, you look under scenery. If it says scenery, then it's no good, no bueno. An item, however, like this bench, because you could sit on it, it's scriptable, this might work. Let's see. S_AAA Town Square. Beatus, how's it going, man? How was your did you do anything for Thanksgiving? You don't have to say anything if you didn't. Oh, what the hell? It's not showing up. What the hell? Maybe it's got to be a stupid thing. That's called a trigger. It doesn't have to be anything special. It could be a point trigger. It could be a box trigger. Well, I don't know about box trigger. It could be a box trigger. Point trigger's fine. That's just the anchor. That's so they don't like run outside of that. You could have a box for them to stay inside, but you have to script more. But you could just do that. Call it something. If you need it in the game code or the behavior script, you need to have an S_. That's that. That should work. Damn it. There it is. Yeah. Okay, so we know now. I forget these things almost immediately, which sucks, but that's just me. Sorry. And did it change? How did I? It stayed with the 6 and 8. Okay, good. Okay. And so now, like if we walk in here with my naked elf, you'll see the child wandering around by running around. So it just looks like she's playing, which is cool. Whatever. And so I have a couple of wolves here that do a follow. I don't know where the wolves are, but they're around here somewhere. You come down the mountain, and they should be around here. They're there. So there's an alpha wolf somewhere. One of these is an alpha wolf. There he is. And then these guys follow the alpha wolf around. And you could see in my script, I made another one, the character follow. And I made this so they follow only, the target. I think they follow the target. I'll have to look at that a little bit more closely. I think with the CT character follow, you don't get to assign who follows who. I think in this particular one, it's follow the alpha wolf. I'll have to look right now. Let's go into script editor. CT, where's CT at? Oh, that's really weird. It's not giving me... What's above? I thought there should be more to that. There should be a whole init, right? No, there's the init. This is weird. This is really weird. But it works. That's really strange. Is it works on the wolves? It makes me look smarter. Did I have something else that allows them to follow? I don't know. And I know that it works. Do I have it set to something else? This is the wolf, and it should be following. It should give me a guy to follow. That's really strange why it's not doing that. It's in my resource manager, I believe. Oh, maybe. Well, it should be. Where's my script at? Yeah, it's right there. Huh. Let's check it out real quick. Let's see if it actually follows. It should. But it doesn't. Maybe I have to build the script. Last time I checked this, it worked. So I'm very interested in why it's not doing anything right now. And maybe this was the thing that, when I transferred things over, it goofed up some of these scripts. So we'll check it out here. Where's build at? Build all. It's all good, 0 warnings. But this should have... Well, we'll see. We'll see now what happened. That's so strange. This should have something that follows. Let's look at the alpha wolf. Huh. Very strange. I have my other guy that's sneaking around, or he should be sneaking around. wherever he is. I think he's a hunter. Right here. Let's see about his script. CT sneak. Uh-oh. Does his not work either? Oh, it does not. That's interesting. Shit. I got to look at all this stuff again. Damn it. Luckily, it's not a lot. Oh, and another thing I just realized, I might have to re-import the resources. Like these are pointing to, are they pointing to the right path, the source path, source file? No, it's not. Okay, so that might be it. It's in public, add-on, under scripts. Okay, so we're looking at public, scripts. Okay, and this one is particularly, this one is CT set flag on site. All right, set flag on site. All right. Okay, and that's probably what it was that this one's character follow. CT character follow. Okay. This one's run away. All right. And sneak. Perfect. So yeah, I was just pointed to the wrong area. This other script should be okay, which is somewhere other than this one right here is fine. Okay. Now let's see if that works. Let's see what happens. I don't think I have to rebuild it, but we'll see. Sneak. Ooh. I might have to reload the engine here. So let me save things and reopen the file, project file. This is a good test. I didn't realize that didn't work. Chato, how was Thanksgiving, man? Sorry I haven't been on. I've been modding. I just haven't been streaming it. Because incredibly secret stuff that I don't know if it works. I haven't tested it, but theoretically it works really well. All in theory. All right, let's test out these wolves. The wolves. I'm going to look at it first. Okay, that's what we want. This is what we want. So now we can go to Alpha Wolf. Boom. All right, perfect. We're going to follow on that guy. Run away. Running when wandering. Can wander. They're just going to wander around. But they'll run away as soon as they see you. This guy is he's not an alpha wolf, yeah. He's just a regular wolf, yeah. Yep, regular wolf and regular wolf. Oh, okay, they're set to alpha wolf already. Look at them go, huh? Yeah, overwrite them all. This is the alpha wolf. Good. Now he's the guy that runs away. Running when wandering, no. But can wander, yes. And then they should run away when they see you. So let's test that out real quick. They should be gone. They see me and they leave. Oof, there they go. Yeah, baby. There they are. They should continue wandering too. Huh. See me when sneaking. Oi. They're gone. All right. He's trying to wander around, but they're getting blocked off. It's all good. That's what we want. I wanted that. I wanted the wolves to be pretty much invisible. And then there should be a guy sneaking around. What the hell is that? That's a sheep. Okay. There he is. Okay, so the hunter is good. He's sneaking around just like he should be. Render all light probes, please. Thank you. Go back into the game. Perfect. You can talk to him and can't you see him hunting? Yeah. So he wanders around, but he always looks at a main deer somewhere around here. I think this one, he's looking at this deer right here. Now that we got hammered out. Whew. Got that hammered out. We go back to this area with this kid. And let's see, maybe make a like 3 kids or so following this other kid. I wonder though, let's go back to the resource, this little guy here. And let's look at the follow character. Reaction usage check. Null is equal. Doesn't really give a distance, and I don't know how to do that. I just copy and paste my own crap. Duration. So it has the character to follow for duration. I wonder if it gives proximity or distance. No. Yeah, I think it just looks like it's the same kind of deal here. Follow the target, follow the leader. Yeah. Doesn't give a distance. Which I would like there to be a distance, but maybe there isn't. Maybe there might be. I don't know. What else would be a good word for distance? Hmm. Get a random between. I think that might be under the check. All right. I'll have to look at that later. That's all right. I'll save it. Make sure to build all. It's all good. All right. We'll just have to deal with it later. I'll have to deal with it later. This one's not wandering. This one is follow. So what did I do here differently? Oh, this one character follow for a couple of seconds, whereas this one is indefinitely. I guess you can do this -1 and it'll do the same thing, but I think I just wanted to get rid of it. Period. Character follow. Yep. And then this chick's name will be Alpha Girl. S_AA Alpha Girl. Okay. That's how it's going to be. Right? You guys want music or not? Dangerous flee. Yes. Okay. I was pretty sure that you could hit the indices button on selected, like in prior versions. You could just hit the indices and it'll bring up everybody. Rando. No matter how you like design these kids, they all look really, really poor. You know, why is that? Why do they make the kids look super depressing? They have like 3 clothings. Okay, she's going to be the alpha. You know what I mean? All right, save that. Let's go for it. There they go, following her. I wonder if I could have like periodic dialogue with her. Isn't there a wanderer with periodic dialogue? I think there is. Like AD. I believe there is. Trigger with animation. What's that? Nope. Oh, actually, this kind of adds things to stuff, but you don't really have anything to look at. You could wander and look at. So there's an you could. This is what I used on the sneaker guy, the sneaking dude. There it is. Wander trigger with doy. Okay. You could have a dialogue and then wander area. I guess town square is fine. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. You could look at an item with this one. All right, that's fine. They're going to run around, sleep maybe 5 seconds, wander duration max 9. 3 is fine. Weight plate AD 20, I guess that's fine. But you could have its own AD. So like Chrono Trigger Kids AD, let's call it that. This is what we'll call our dialogue, and we'll test it out. Oops, wrong button. I'm going to get something to drink while that stupid thing loads up. Oh, it didn't crash. That's good. I got to lean back, man. I got to lean back in my chair. My shoulder's killing me. Ayah. No preference on the music, though, huh? Okay, okay. Build success. Save as immediately as the AD, so we don't have to worry about it. Youpers. Also, I'm going to probably make a speaker group, just so I don't have to add every single one of those damn kids. Add a speaker group called the same thing, basically, just except CT Kids. $680. All right, no override speakers. This is good. Okay. There we go. They're all going to say something stupid. Speaker group right here. No, CT. CT. There. Boom. That way we can go like this, add, edit CT, and they should come up here, right there. CT Kids. Perfecto, automated, automated, repeated, save again. Okay, there. Yeah. My wife has injured herself. How bad is it?
Well, see.
Should I hurry more?
There's a retro Dolce de Leche, anyway, a cute retro Russian can.
Oh, honey.
Cleaning out because I'm like, this is.
And you're so dumb. You cut yourself on it, huh? You need a tetanus shot. How much do you have? Let me see it.
It's fine right now. It's not gushing.
Well, come here. I got to put something on it. Is that wet or is it dry? Come here.
It's damp.
Come here. Come here, please. Come here.
Much better. It was gushing at first.
Gushing?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring it down. Where? Is that good?
Hopefully.
Did I miss it?
I'll come back again.
Well, here, let me do another one. It's a small Band-Aid. How big is the wound?
That's that. Okay, this Band-Aid sucks. Let's do this again.
Oh, man. Do we need to go to the hospital? Come here. Can you come here right here? So I could see it too.
No, it's fine.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
just a side slice.
A side slice.
But the can is really cute.
Yeah, but you probably need tetanus shots now. Well, if that finger falls off, that'd be very sad. We're good. Cut themselves on everything. What do kids say? What are the dumb things that kids say? Ha, gotcha. I don't know. What else? Whoa. Ew. Look out. Emergency modding technician. I love Freddy Fazbear. There. That's something. Dumb kids. Kids. Smart kids that say dumb things. The kid is intelligent, but ugh. FNAF is the best. No, I'm not going to say that. I don't want to I'm not going to reference other games in this. Well, no, I'm not going to. It's a game within a game within a game. We're not going to go down that path. Import a bunch of memes. That's what flashes up every time. Just a picture of memes. I don't know. Did see that cat? Looks like your mom. Oh, like your mom jokes, right? Your mom. Mother is so fat. I need to pee. Alternatively, I need to poop. You can't catch me. The kids speaking emojis now just have a bunch of stupid turds and eggplants, those horny bastards. Let's see here. I'm hungry. Don't want to eat. I think that's pretty much what kids do, right? That gross frog. Oh, that's a really good Chrono Trigger zing. We'll just have a smiley face on one of them. That'd be stupid. This is 680, no technology, right? See my dad's sword. Sword. Found a dagger. Knife. Let's go kill some dragons. Speaking of dragons, Imagine Dragons. Oh, the worst band ever. God. If they could stop making music, that would be fantastic. Or they could keep making music, but just make it intelligent. Just make it about something, you know. Music in general is really bad nowadays. Just haven't got anything. I've realized that I prefer music now without vocals. I prefer it because it opens it up to imagination. I like to use my own who's that guy? I think Brute, something Brute. I think Beatus, you put something on the chat. Let me look. Carpenter Brute. I like his stuff, or I like their stuff, I guess. Oh no, that was Sad Cowboy. perturbator, or something like that. Actually, I'm going to leave that on. I might want to listen to that later. I got you. No, you didn't. This is all this is all going to be random, so it really doesn't matter. Yes, huh? Nuh-uh. No way. It's right here, hun. She doesn't be on camera. Yeah, you're good. You're fine. Yes, way. I think that's enough, right? It's like 20 things kids say. Oh, nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, like they'll say, no way, Yahweh, yes, huh? Yahweh. This is, yeah, I know. Jesus jokes. Jesus. All right, let's see if this thing works here. If they run around this place. I think they do. They will. Since it showed up in the listing. I don't remember if I have to give them a dialogue in script, however. But they already are in script. They should have something going on here. But it might take a while because it's on 20. So, who knows? Who the hell knows? And did I script it for everyone? I don't know. I may have just scripted it for one of them. The leader. Dialogue. CT Kids AD. Correct. Correct. Let's go with like 4. Okay. See what happens. They're not wandering around at all. What's going on? It's just frozen. Hey, move, kid. Oh, you know what? The point trigger is the wander area. That's probably why she's not wandering around. It's because she's wandering in that one point over and over again. That one little point. Okay, I guess I'll make a box trigger. Jeez. Okay, they go wander around here. Okay. Crying out loud. They're going to go into the houses and everything. Like dumb bastard kids. Okay. I actually like kids. It's all right. Most kids. Some kids. A few kids. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should change this to town square instead of the wander area because I might want to use it for other things. And I'm going to apply the wander area to all of them. So they wander around, but then as soon as the other one starts running, they follow. So, whoops. Scripts. Look at, oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, town square. CT Kids AD, right? Yeah. Let's just see if that works first. I don't see why it shouldn't. Oh, they're not following her. That's weird. But they're also not talking. Probably because of that. All right. Yep, that was it. Okay, perfect. Running around, the little bastards. Okay, sleep max 5. I want to crank it up some. Town square is good. Okie dokie. And then where's that alpha chick? I think this is her. We don't want to select her. See why they're not wandering around or following. Alpha girl is here. Sometimes these two kind of interfere with one another. That's it. They're running off. They're just running away like idiots, like I knew they would be. All right, so it's a little bit more livelier now. They got kids. We got kids. Good. Let's do a little point sound trigger. And I think there is laughter. Kids laughing, maybe, possibly. We'll see. End game laughter. What? Playing? Let's see what that sounds like. It's probably not going to sound like anything anyways because it's kind of like a weird thing that you approach, I guess. I don't know. Let's put it over here somewhere. All right, next up is a person, right? We got to do a person over here. Human. And I think this is a lady. Female civilian. Oh, I actually like that one a lot, but I clicked too fast. Yeah, I'll stay with that one. I like this. This is fine. This is good. It's hot. New human player. Come on. Truce Canyon, right? Truce Canyon resident. Okay. Truce Canyon resident. I can make multiples of these, so it's good. Do I want to script her as anything? Because all she's going to be doing is hanging out literally in the house here. Chilling like a villain, right? I guess I could have her wander outside and stuff and yell at the kids, or maybe, I don't know. But this is a friendly place, right? So maybe she'll just sit on the chair. This chair. Truce Canyon chair 1. Wow, this one has like more advanced stuff on it. That's cool. Adapt sitting behavior. Huh. So that's like if you have multiple chairs or something, and one of them needs a seat. Yeah, that's good. Has fallback position. No. Our seat will be Truce Canyon. Is that what I called it? Truce Canyon. QRST. Truce Canyon chair 1. Seat trigger, no. Animation overrides, no. We're just going to have a blank there. All right, so she could sit there. I could probably create a dialogue for her. New empty dialogue. Save as. And then edit some speaker groups. Make a new speaker group for her. Or not even for her, it would be for Truce Canyon residents. And then whoever's involved in there, let's see, speaker groups. Nope. And I guess I could have kept the humans, but it doesn't really matter. Truce Canyon residents, AD. Anybody that's there will have this AD. Okay. automated repeat. No, I don't do that. Let's just do automated NPC dialogue, because repeated automated is something else. We could actually do just generic. So anytime somebody talks to them, they'll just say something, right? They don't have to have something that they squawk around all the time. Even though on the sit trigger I gave her something, she could still... She'll probably squawk it, but bark it, that is, but we'll see. I'll probably just assign it as a dialogue, and then you just, whenever you approach somebody, they just say like, what are you doing here? You know, kind of thing. Without an answer. You know? I need to start. And I guess these are going to be wife quotes for this side. I need to start thinking about what I'm going to make for dinner. That's a wife quote. What time is it? Wonder what time it is. Chrono Trigger stuff, you know. Get it? Because Chrono... Anyways, whatever. Dumb jokes. Oh. I smell terrible. When will they come home? I wonder. Comma, I wonder. What's all that noise? Someone there? The king seems nice. Pretty sure I saw some monsters. Where do they go? Oh, right. So I do want to have another quest. It's an actual quest, just a miniature quest, and it's called the Missing Persons quest. And it's where you're going to go fight those spiders. Hope we have peace for a while. I can't handle another war. I hate monsters so much, I wish they all just died. That's perfect. I'm really good at this stuff. Boom. We'll give her that AD. Let's see what she does with it. Oh, why can't I even talk to her? I should be able to talk to her if it has the dialogue. Or did I put it in activation ID instead? I think I put it in the wrong thing. Activation ID group. Oh my god. Delete that. Default dialogue. Jeez, guy. Still can't talk to her. That's odd. Oh, I think I have her also on ignore dialogue. Possibly. Yikes. She's a male hero, apparently. What? It didn't take. Oh, there it goes. Did it save? There. Oh, no, this one doesn't have ignore dialogue. That's weird. That's weird. Let's try that again. There it goes. Huh. That's really odd. It should come up with something, but maybe did I not save it under what I wanted to save it under? Oh, okay, there it is. Save as that. There. That's why. It just didn't exist. I think that's it. I think that's why it's doing that. Hello. Where did they go? Perfect. This is what I want. So I could have it come up a different way. I could have it oops. I could have it come up as generic, right? So it pops up with an actual dialogue thing. See if that works. No, just AD. Okay. I could have sworn that it could work that way, but maybe not. I thought it did, but maybe not. It's okay. It doesn't really matter. This works. That works fine. I don't know if she keeps talking, though. That's the other thing, is because the chair has... Oh, that chair doesn't even have the correct dialogue name in it, so... Or the sit script, so it's fine. All right, I'll just make a couple of copies of her for the town. Like all over the place. In this house, too. That is pretty empty. Wow. There's like no carpet or anything. It's really bare. I'll have to put a carpet in. Two, one. That's good. And she's going to sit in that one too. Oh, she didn't have an automated dialogue. What the hell was I thinking? Okay, never mind. Of course. All right. Perfect. That's good then. That makes it easy. I thought for some reason I gave her an automated dialogue in the chair script, but I didn't. Rando. Perfect. And she's now a Truce resident. Truce Canyon resident. She's got the Truce Canyon resident 000. This is very good. Set your people up like that. Oh, but I forgot to give her a level. They shouldn't be any hard level, right? Because you shouldn't have to they're just going to be level 1 is fine because they're just talking. They should be. They're not even like plot points or anything. They're just kind of extras, which I feel kind of bad for not doing that. I think it was either Retro Tie or Chato who had a really great link about quest building and towns and all that stuff. I forgot which one of you guys posted it. Let me look. So I get it right. I got to get it right. Okay, that's the booby patch for Divinity. Do. Yeah, it was Reavers. Let's make a town. I really like how it's made, or how it was laid out. If you guys go to this website, I'll post it in comments, I guess. Here, I'll just lay it out, see if it's good. But if you check it out, this kind of illustrates a really good way of why do you want a town, and where is it going to be? What purpose does it serve? Does it what is it there for politics? Is it there for mining? Is it there because it's a good location? Things like that. You should really check it out. It's a great read. This town, looking at it like Chrono Trigger and stuff, and this town was there because of. It's literally called Truce Canyon because the canyon was there, and it was kind of just a central town next to the castle, and that was your first point of in the game itself. That was the first place you see after you travel back in time or when you arrive in the present, all that stuff, right? And predictably, it has a shop, it has an inn, it has everything that you need right here in town. And you can, even though you can only visit 4 places, there's residents that have plot points to make, and they they all say something about what's going on in town, and it's all relevant to the game. There's nothing, no like idle chatter kind of thing. And this isn't really like that though, because there isn't really too much going on. Now, maybe I'll have her be a quest giver and have a different dialogue than the other 2 ladies, that are doing something. Because I do have a quest for her to give anyways. Save as CT side quest. I'm missing villagers. Save that like so. Right, and it's just going to be her default dialogue right here. So you could talk to her about all these stupid missing villagers. Let's adjust her looks a little bit. Yeah, oh yeah. There she goes. Rando. Way out of character there. Yeah, she looks like a wise old lady. Let's do that. Yeah, she looks good. I like her. Okay, she's just gonna be called, resident here. This same old resident. Let's have her sit down in this chair. Two. Okay. All right. Save that. We could start on the dialogue right here. She's resident, I believe, 001 or 2. Yep, 1. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, I think what I was missing from that other one, even though it was normal dialogue, I was missing the player group. If you don't have that, then you can't talk to. It doesn't bring up, the dialogue doesn't bring up because there's nobody to talk to, just yourself, or the other person. Where could all of them be? Oops. Oh yeah, answer. That's what I want. Just don't understand it. ... Hello. Sorry to intrude. Because everybody walks into these houses. Everything all right? Is everything aight? Is everything all right? Or all right, as I spelt it? Leave quietly. That'll be just like with the answer. Where, where could they have gone? Just like that. This will be an end node. That's it for that. It's just going to be really basic. Oh, you startled me. Startled me. You son of a bitch. Uh-huh. They seem to have gone missing. Maybe they're lost in the woods. Answer. Gasp. Answer. Maybe the wolves ate them. Right? Maybe the wolves ate them. That's all I got. Huh. Well, certainly hope not. All right, there we go. It's an end node for that one. And another answer or question is, well, I can keep my eyes peeled. Maybe we'll run into them. Ah, really? If you find out anything. Okay, this is where the quest will end as a quest set. CT side quest. Or just put CT, I guess. CT missing villagers. Add that. And that'll set it. And we want to set this also as a check. That it's not checked. So it's not checked when they greet. Okay, and then we'll do another one here. Oh, hi. Any news? Okay, and then you'll say nope. Not yet. Anything yet? All right, and then this end node could stay the same because this is still going to be checked. Flag to check on the character missing villagers now is checked for this greeting dialogue. All right, so that's all good there. Let's have the same end for closing. And then finally, this next greeting will have a different greeting. Ah. Anything? Find anything? Found anyone? Let's do that. You okay? What's up?
I went to open one of the cans and the pull tab wouldn't come undone, so using something other than I'm supposed to use.
Oh boy. Yes. They've all... I found a few bodies just outside of the village. It looks like they were taken by giant spiders. Gasp. Those poor How do I end this? Gasp. To notify the king. killed the spiders, so it should be safe to... Oh, I should have two options where you kill them and you don't kill them. Cover the dead. Should have two. Yeah, different kinds of... What the hell? No, not insert, fool. Add node question. I'd advise an army to minimum to kill them all. All right. Okay, we'll end that node there, and then thank you for letting me know. I'll tell King to gather the forces. Tell the king to gather the forces. Yeah, sure. I'll leave this as a work in progress, this little thing, because this is the final arc of the quest, and I don't have the quest stuff yet. So let's open up the journal editor here and make... Ooh, yeah, we could do that, yeah. Pyramid of Shadows, yeah, we're good. Quests, quest category, side quests. Did I haven't done anything as far as side quests go on this side, so I should... Okay, let me see here. Beatus, Chicken Told a Lie. I don't think I've done any quests other than... No, I haven't done any quests yet on this map. So these are side quests for my regular map here. So we're going to do another one called quest ID will be CT side quest. There. And then you could make the new quest states from there. Category ID, I think it stays the same. Yeah, it stays the same. And the title could be Guardia 600 AD. Is main quest? No. Shareable? Sure. Broadcast level is character broadcast level. Actually, I'm going to change it to party. So the difference between party and character is one character, if they pick up a quest, if one of the party members picks up a quest, it stays in the journal as one entry. If it's at character level and each individual character picks up that quest, you're gonna have 4 different entries, which makes it really annoying. So I like to have it at party because it's just really clean. It's just bam right there. Yeah. All right. So keep it at party and then make a new quest state here. And this is where we control V, the missing villagers. I like to have this. This is the flag that we initiated on the characters. We're going to be using this later, so just have that. And then description, you just say, I have offered to find the missing villagers of Truce Canyon. Where could they be? Maybe the wolves did eat them. Okay, and this is just Act 1. And this is where how the experience is gained from Act 1. We're gonna like put 6. Sure, why not? You're not doing much. Reputation gain. I'm gonna go with 5 on that because it's not too big. So objective ID is if you have an ID where to go, you can assign an objective ID, and I'm not going to do that. You could also assign stats trigger, so where they stats override. So if they're fighting something, it's for combat equalization kind of thing. I haven't messed with mysteries at all, so I don't know what they do. Don't really care. And then what's weird with rewards is I thought I had a reward treasure table assigned, or like the optional thing, but it didn't really work out too well. I'm not sure why. So I think this one right here is the mandatory stuff that you get, and then you get to choose one or the other from this one. So you put in like 2 things, and then you could choose something. I might mess with it a little bit later, just to see. I might want to give like we can give one optional, that kind of thing. So 2 things that are mandatory, 2 things that they'll automatically get. So like a stack of gold, I don't know, some shitty armor, and then an optional would be you'd have the optional treasure table, so you'd have 3 things listed, and they can only pick one of those 3 things, and it could be a weapon or some shit. I don't know, So we got that. Missing villagers. Here's our quest state, and from here we could either place add here or add here. It's the same thing. It'll add to that. So I'm going to save that because we want to save our quests. Let's open up scripting. Right. We have side quests already in our scripting area right down here, but I want Chrono Trigger specific stuff, so I'm going to create a new sub item. This will be side quest CT. And it'll reorganize it so it's right below, or right below side quests later on if I open and close it. So I want to do a couple of things. I want to open up regular side quest. Oh, nope, I don't. Not side quests. I want journal, POS journal. This is where we have all of our journal entries, and this is how it's triggered. So the quest update, this journal, it's going to go for the quest update, but it's looking at the side quests. We want it CT side quests. We want it to look at CT side quests. So we're going to change that to CT right there, and then CT missing villagers. So what I like to do is break these things up a little bit. So here's the secret side quest I'm not going to show you. Pyramid first floor. And then we're going to start a new one. How about we use the right? Okay. And we're going to copy this little guy, paste it in here, copy this, paste it in here. The CT side quest portion we're going to paste into this little area. Okay. Now we have our quest states all aligned. So this should fire up just great. Um, and that's how I do it. It's really easy this way, really quick, you know. But these all have to line up with a couple of things. So the quest update, like that, where it's going to fire up this flag. We're going to go back to this guy right here, and this is what I should have done is instead of CT missing villagers, I should have not even done that yet, because I don't think I could delete it now, but it's all right. We're going to add this one instead. So it's going to check for that instead. It's going to set this one instead right here, and it's going to check this one, whether or not it actually exists. Uncheck. Okay. Right. So the way I did this kind of backwards, I shouldn't have done it that way. I should have done it with creating the state first, and then creating the dialogue flags, and then doing doing the script flags, and then doing the dialogue flags. It's a lot easier that way when you do it that way. So another quest state will be, and here's how you adjust these quest states. Right up here, this new quest state will have CT missing villagers found. Okay. The Truce Canyon missing villagers. Sad end. Now, do we kill the spiders? Or what? Or ... Act 1 gains, let's do 6 again. Reputation gain 10. And that'll be that, right? So that's villagers found. Let's make another couple of these states. Let's make another one that's called CT missing villagers, spiders killed. Decided to kill all the deadly spiders. They are a threat no more. Okay, Act 1. We're going to go with like 20 on this one. Reputation gain plus 10. All right. And save on that. All right, and then another quest state that's CT missing villagers, spiders alive. Wasn't my place to meddle. Who knows what? Who knows how I would change the future by doing this? I decided to leave myself out of it. Okay, leave myself out of it. Maybe I should do gain 5 on that one. Reputation gain 0. We're not going to give you any sort of reputation for that. What I should do probably also is I decide to do nothing. Didn't find anything. We lied about, nothing happened. But that's too much complexity. That's an arc I don't want to go down because then I'm expected to do something with it. I don't know, All right, so we found the villagers. Let's have that, and let's script it. Whoops. Missing villagers found, just like that as a quest state. We want to add 1, 2, 3 more. This one is villagers found. This one is spiders killed. And this one is spiders left alive. Okay, this is really easy to do that. It's really quick, see? That way I could just grab this, paste it in here, and then grab this whole flag and put it in my dialogue. So this one is, I believe, let's see, what is this one? Oops, not the journal, the script. Villagers found. Okay, villagers found. So this one, have you found anyone? And this is going to check this flag. Also check this flag. So it'll only activate when those two flags are active, right? When those are set. This one will check both of these as well, but one of them is going to be, the found is going to be unchecked, and this one will have both of them unchecked. I found that it works really well this way, to have all the flags either checked or unchecked. Good, good, and good. Okay, so on here we have different things. So I killed the spiders, right? This is CT missing, spiders killed, the whole thing. Right, we're gonna check for this flag. And if this is not, if this has not been fulfilled, then this flag does not, or this dialogue option does not appear. And then left alive. Just like that. Ah, damn it. And then we're going to check for this one. So you're going to have one or the other. You're going to have this one or you're going to have this one. That's up, right, and active at the same, at any time, any point in time. I will have to add a couple more flags here, but they're not journal related. They're going to be more like something that this lady's going to have to do, and she's probably going to have to I don't know. I don't know whether or not I want to make her do anything after the dialogue ends. You know, that kind of thing. So what I do want is add another flag, and it's going to be, it's just going to set, it's going to be something on the characters, missing villagers found, and then another one that's called quest end. Like that. Oops. We don't need these two because it's already set. So set another flag that's a quest end on both of these. Okay. And that way when we have another greeting right here, it's going to check for those three conditions. So which is the villagers found, and then a quest end is all checked. This is the only way you get this. Sob. Sniff. Please let me grieve in peace. I thank you for your help. But I'll need some time. All right, boom, that's it. That's a quest. That's your dialogue for each quest. That should work. Save it. Probably comes up with all these stupid things because of something. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so that is that. Okay. So now we gotta script some stuff. I'm gonna save this just in case. So here are the spiders over here. They're all kind of just over here. And I need to put an event trigger around this whole area, or just around this portion here when they approach the spiders, just so they could see. And maybe what I'll do is, if character can see, and put all these spiders in a what do they call them? Did I call them something? Oh, CT spiders. Okay, so all of them are already here. And I think they're pretty good level, no? 9? Oh, level override. Let's make them 13. Let's make it interesting, huh? 14. 13. One of them is going to be 15. And this is where, that part where maybe you don't want to fight these guys. 14. And do I have any humans in here? I thought I did. Okay, yeah, I did. Right over here. Okay. So there's the humans. We also have a couple animals, which is fine. So here's how that's going to be. That's going to be interesting. Event trigger. Boom. I am streaming, yeah. But you can come in. It's all good.
There's actually Ultimate Custom Night on my phone, but the sale ends in 2 days.
What's Ultimate Custom what?
Ultimate Custom Night.
Ultimate Custom Night for how much?
$0.99.
Just 99 cents?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. We could buy it if you want. I don't mind that. It's not a bad price. I'm a good dad. He's a good kid. He has permission. Before he buys something. Let's extend that because people might want to sneak around and crap, which is a good.
It used to be $2.99.
Oh, but now it's 99 cents now. Nice. Good buy. Good purchase. All right, this is going to be the good game, brah. This is going to be the missing villagers event trigger. Save that. We'll have to generate. I could close out of that now. All right, we'll have to generate some definitions. Good. If character entered trigger. Yeah. This is a player entering the missing villagers event trigger, and DB is player. Should I make him also character is player? I think I will. Is player 1. okay. It's just a check to make sure that whatever's walking into that trigger is actually part of the game, controlled by a person.
When I opened the game, I saw Bucket Bob's jump scare.
Whoa, my gosh. Okay.
It wasn't that.
It wasn't that scary though.
Yeah.
That's good.
It was just
Then object, set flag on the player. This is where this nope, that's not what we want. We want spiders found. This is the quest state that will happen. And let me see, I closed the journal, right? Let me look at the journal again. Because I don't remember what, I have a short memory. Let's see here, categories. So when we find them, oh, okay, yeah. So I did leave it open. Do we kill the spiders or ... That's perfect. All right, so that'll come up in the journal. As soon as this flag is tossed, it'll come up. Now, I don't have to have a dialogue instant. Oh, do I? I don't remember anymore. I don't think I do. Okay. I never remember if I have to have a dialogue instance. I don't think I do. So when you enter that trigger, that's basically just to throw that flag that says, "Hey, you found your guys. You know, congratulations, you're a moron. You're about to die." That kind of thing. Make sure that the flag is appropriate here. I think that's a good distance. I think that this ought to do. I don't think you'll be in combat. I think as soon as you enter this, let me see the distance here. Let me just play it a little bit. Oh, yeah, that's too much. That's too. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, boy. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, did that teleport over here or something? It must have. Wow. They can see. Do you see that? What the hell? They could really see you from far away. Really far away. Wonder why that is. The vision grid on these characters is insane. Is that because they're such high level, or spiders are just like that? Or is that with everyone? Why can you see everything? That's crazy. That's really far. Would you agree? I think you would agree. Let's see if I could revive her on the spot. That is way too far. They shouldn't be able to see this far. No way. No freaking way. But maybe they can. Maybe it's because of the side of the mountain or something. I don't know. All right. Well, they'll definitely spot you if you're walking around like like you're just wandering around. They'll catch you. They'll catch you. Where is that trigger? Let's turn them around back to their default position and see what their vision grid looks like now. Oh, they're still pointing at that way. Huh. I thought I'd reorganize them, but they're very watchful over here. They're watching something. That's okay.
I made 2 cheesecakes
Why?
and a Russian caramel cake. 6 layers.
Wow. Sounds delicious. I don't care. We're going to just increase it to like over here because I think that over here it's kind of fine-ish. People can't really sneak around this area because those spiders will detect you. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's good. I like that. I like that a lot. That's going to be great. That's going to be a good fight for people once they come up on this thing. They're gonna regret life pretty much immediately. Okay. Save that. So once they walk into this thing, they'll have that journal entry come up. I believe these guys are called just CT spiders. Sand spiders. Let's call them something else. Let's call them something more generic. Evil spiders. All right, perfect. And then, yeah, CT spider. Okay, that's good to script. That's easy. DB underscore evil spiders. And then character GUID evil or CT spiders. We'll just call it spider 1. Spider. Oh, that's no good either. CT spider will have to be. Okay. That sucks. I put an underscore, didn't I? That really sucks. That's the worst. I don't know why I did that either. This one. Close parenth. Okay. And I think there's 5. CT spider 1. 2, 3. 0, and then I believe that there's one that doesn't even have anything. It's just a CT spider, this guy. Okay. So this is our group name right here. If I think character died. Evil spiders. And character is dead. Evil spiders. We have to define our evil spiders. And DB evil spiders is evil spiders. So it's pulling all the evil spiders here from the database of the evil spiders. And we'll just leave it both just like that. Then I don't know if this actually works. I think it does. I think it works in a way that if all the spiders are dead, then it'll do it, not just one. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. Then we're gonna throw up another flag here, and this is the killed. Okay. Like so. Then object gets the same kind of deal. Object set flag. Boom, just like that. Now I wonder how I'm going to Oh, you know what I'm going to do? This is what I'm going to do. This is really clever, by the way. Super clever. Since the spiders are alive, right? When you find them, they're going to stay alive until you kill them. So you find them, and then here's what's going to happen. Object clear flag. If you kill them, perfect. We're just gonna clear that flag. So it's no longer, you no longer have them alive. No dialogue instance necessary. Boom. That's easy, right? Yeah, that's perfect. So when you find them, when you enter that trigger, you find them and you leave them alive. And then once you kill them, then that alive trigger is cleared and the dead one is activated, and that's it. That should be good. That should work. I think. That's how many errors we get. Boo 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 boo. Errors reported. Ignore orphan queries. I don't have any orphan queries. Do I? Did I that one's good. What's there? Where is it? What? Oh, okay, whoops. How about that? How about that, huh? Boom. All right. This is checking the evil spiders. I don't understand why. There. Shouldn't have any orphan queries. I'm using the query. What the hell? Might be in a function call. Check your parameters. I did check my... What the hell are you talking about? Oh, yeah, how about that? Uh-huh. 1. Boom. Duh. Yeah. Nobody caught me on it, so I made the mistake. Nobody said, hey, man, you're missing that Boolean expression. You're missing the yes or no. Yeah. That's why we build. That's why we build. Now, I should do another check. Because what if people happen upon this before, right? Before they even get the quest. Let me look at the journal editor one more time. Let's erase the. I found Truce Canyon missing villagers. Or I found some dead people. They met their sad end. They met a sad end. Now do we kill the spiders or there? That way, you know, it's kind of like, if somebody gets it beforehand, you know, it's really like, oh, I just found some dead people. Interesting. Might be part of a quest. You know? Groovy. Okay. Did we build? I think we built, and it was good. Or did we try it? Did we do anything? Yeah, I think we built it. Rebuilt it. And it's all good. So it looks like it's saved. That's all good. The journal's good. We got everything in the journal. Perfect. Okay. And yeah. Good. We could reload that project. And go back to that lady and see if she'll give you the quest and how it works and stuff. And I'll test it out as, you know, as me playing it, as a person that knows what's going on playing it. Let's kick up that music during our testing phase. Oh. One other thing I wanted to check out. Okay, these guys are evil now, so that's good. So there's multiple areas where you're gonna fight some stuff, and one of them is Truce Canyon. Let's teleport down here. Kids are running around like they should be. Good. And there's the lady sitting in her chair like she should be. What was all that noise? Okay. Like she should be. Alright. There's that lady. And you could talk to her. Where could all of them be? Just don't understand it. Hello, sorry to intrude. Is everything alright? Oh, you startled me. Yes, well, see, I'm looking for the other residents of this village. Residents. That's correct, right? I think it is. But they seem to have gone missing. Maybe they're lost in the woods. Gasp. Maybe the wolves ate them. Well, certainly hope not. Well, I could keep my eyes peeled. 125 XP, that's not bad. Really? Let me know if you find anything. Okay, good. Let's talk to her again. Oh, hi. Any news? Oh, yeah, I haven't seen anything yet. I need to fix that spelling error. Oh, where could they have gone? Let's fix that. Haven't seen anything. All right. All right, let's go find these spiders. I thought that there's some dead people right there. They're just hiding under... Okay. I want to walk up on these dudes. Skulk around. Okay, it looks like they can't see quite yet. Alright, so the vision is pretty low. When they're not facing you. So maybe I'll make that trigger a little bit smaller. Alright, let me look at the log here. Okay, we have offered to find the missing villagers of Truce Canyon. Where could they be? Maybe the wolves did eat them. I found the Truce missing villagers. They met us at and now. Do we kill the spiders or... Oh, whoops. That's right. I forgot that this fires up. Huh. How do I... How do I update that? So, how would I play with that a little bit? I need to figure out a way where the final decision is with the spiders is you either fight them or you don't. Because I forgot that both those journal entries are going to fly. Let's just... let's see. I don't think I have a completed quest either. I don't think I set a flag for complete quest. But this works. This is good. Let's go see what happens when you talk to her. Get out of skulk mode. Doctor again. Oh, have you found anyone? Oh, yes. There were a few bodies just outside the village. It looks like they were taken by giant spiders. Gasp. I need to notify the king. The spiders are really powerful. I could not slay them. I'd advise you to an army at minimum to kill them. So that works. So there's only one dialogue option. There was two, remember, but this one popped up when you fled, when you decided not to kill the spiders, which was immediately. Okay, thank you for letting me know. I'll tell the king to gather the forces. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Let's see what else she says. Oh. That's not good. All right, so there's that error that I did not want, but we got, which is unfortunate. This is where we should have not got that. We should have had a quest end on both of these. Set, check, all three. Sometimes you need to do this too. Make sure that all the variables are in there, and I don't know. It's great. It's great. Okay, just like that. So save. Okay, there. Okay, that's good. That's saved. That flag is thrown. It's just not activating because sob sniff. There it is. Because it just didn't know which one to choose. It wanted to choose the one with the most check marks or the one with the fulfilled check. I don't know why it didn't go down the line, but I guess it just hit the first one that it saw. That. And maybe that's another thing, is I got to rearrange them. Maybe it just goes down the line and it's like, oh, well, this condition is met. So, boom, I'm going to go with that one. And if you rearrange them the other way, it might work that way. I don't know. Whatever. All right, please let me grieve in peace. Okay, you'll need some time. Is this the same thing? Yep. Okay, perfect. That's good. So, she looks different because I haven't rendered the portraits yet. And I'll need to do that before I even publish anything. Because also I have new characters everywhere, so. And that's really, And what I could do is, instead of here, let's get that script back up. Here's what we could do. Instead of object set flag quest side state, we'll just do that. And instead of in scripting, we'll set it in dialogue when that happens, when you get the option to say we left them alive. So this will be a hidden flag on the player. You won't see it activate. You won't see it go in a quest update. It'll just be this. And then I'll have the actual big one get set with when you have that dialogue option of saying, yeah, whoops, we didn't, we're idiots, or we're cowards or whatever. So right here, the spiders are really powerful. We didn't do anything. So flags to set is this one, but flags to check is going to be this one. Okay. So it'll just go down the line just the same. So it'll look for this one because we killed everything. You don't need to have did you kill. It just automatically will pop up when you killed everything, which hopefully it pops up the right way. But when you don't kill them and walk away, yeah, that'll happen. Okay. I think that's good. That's good enough testing. I'll probably test it thoroughly on my own time. I just wanted to kind of, run through with some stuff here. Yeah, thanks guys for watching little bits. I always love my community of 3 guys. I've been watching the Critical Drinker on YouTube, and he's fun to watch. I like guys that know shitty movies and like they criticize shitty movies, I love those guys. They point out the dumb things and stuff. Anyways, Critical Drinker on YouTube. Check him out. I'm out for tonight. Thanks for watching.